Want your home to feel instantly romantic this Valentine's Day without spending a fortune? Confused about how to decorate when you have limited space but big love vibes in mind? Looking for decor ideas that feel cozy, aesthetic, and Instagram-worthy at the same time? Wondering how to create that wow factor, whether you're celebrating solo, with family, or with your partner? Then stay right here, because today we're answering every decor question you need to turn your space into a Valentine's Day dream. What sets the mood for perfect Valentine's Day decor? Valentine's decor starts with emotion. It's all about romance, warmth, and intimacy. Soft lighting, romantic colors like red, blush, and ivory, and cozy textures instantly set the tone. When decor feels personal and inviting, the mood follows naturally without looking overdone. Which color palette works best for Valentine's Day decoration? Classic reds and pinks always work, but modern decor shines with neutrals like beige, white, and gold, paired with subtle blush accents. This balance keeps the decor elegant instead of overwhelming. Adding one bold color element makes everything pop beautifully. If you're loving these ideas so far, hit that like button and share this video with someone who loves decorating as much as you do. How can I decorate my living room for Valentine's Day? Start with throw pillows, cozy blankets, and soft lighting like fairy lights or candles. A romantic centerpiece on the coffee table, flowers, heart decor, or scented candles pulls everything together. The goal is comfort with a romantic twist. What are simple yet impactful wall decor ideas for Valentine's Day? Heart garlands, love quotes, fairy-like curtains, or framed romantic prints instantly transform blank walls. Temporary wall decor works best because it's easy to install and remove. Even one statement wall can change the entire vibe of the room. Tell me in the comments, are you more into minimal Valentine decor or bold romantic setups? How do candles enhance Valentine's Day decor? Candles add warmth, intimacy, and softness that no other decor element can match. Whether real or flameless, grouping candles at different heights creates a luxurious glow. Scented candles also add a sensory layer to the experience. What are romantic table decor ideas for Valentine's Day dinner? A simple table runner, elegant dinnerware, and fresh flowers create an instant romantic setup. Adding candles or fairy lights elevates the mood without cluttering the table. Personal touches like handwritten notes make it unforgettable. For more themed decor setups like this, check out the full playlist linked in the description below. How can I decorate a small space for Valentine's Day? Focus on vertical decor like wall hangings, mirrors, and string lights. Multi-purpose decor like decorative trays or cushions keeps the space functional. Even small details can create a big romantic impact when done intentionally. What budget-friendly Valentine's decor ideas actually look premium? DIY paper hearts, fairy lights, recycled jars as candle holders, and artificial flowers go a long way. Mixing handmade decor with a few statement pieces creates a balanced look. It's more about styling than spending. Subscribe for more creative, budget-friendly decor ideas that turn simple spaces into stunning ones. How can lighting completely change Valentine's Day decor? Warm lighting softens the room and enhances romantic colours instantly. String lights, table lamps and LED candles create layers of glow. Lighting alone can make even minimal decor feel magical. How do I decorate a bedroom for Valentine's Day? Start with clean bedding, add throw pillows in romantic shades, and layer soft lighting. Rose petals, fairy lights around the headboard, or scented candles elevate the ambience. Keep it cozy, not cluttered. If you want even more Valentine and seasonal decor inspiration, check out similar videos linked in the description. How can floral decor be styled for Valentine's Day? Fresh or faux flowers instantly symbolize love and romance. Use them as centerpieces, bedside accents, or wall decor. Mixing greenery with roses keeps the look fresh and balanced. What are creative DIY Valentine's decor ideas? Handwritten love notes, photo displays, memory jars, and handmade banners add personal charm. DIY decor feels more meaningful because it tells your story. It's perfect for intimate celebrations. Love the decor you're seeing? Find the exact products used in this video linked in the description below. How can I decorate for Valentine's Day when celebrating solo or with family? Valentine's decor isn't just for couples, it's about love in all forms. Use cheerful colours, cozy lighting, and positive quotes. Create a warm atmosphere that celebrates self-love and togetherness. How early should I decorate for Valentine's Day? Decorating a week or two in advance lets you enjoy the vibe longer. Gradually layering decor prevents it from feeling rushed. It also helps you tweak and perfect the setup over time. How do I keep Valentine's decor elegant instead of over the top? Stick to a cohesive colour palette and avoid overcrowding. Choose fewer statement pieces and let them shine. Romance looks best when it feels intentional and balanced. Valentine's Day decor isn't about perfection. It's about emotion, warmth, and creating a space that feels special. Whether you're decorating a small corner or your entire home, the right colours, lighting, and personal touches can completely transform your space. Start simple, stay intentional, and let your decor tell a love story that feels uniquely yours. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like and share it with someone who loves home decor and festive vibes. Comment below and tell us, what's your favourite Valentine's Day decor style? Cozy, minimal, or full-on romantic? Want more themed decor ideas like this? Explore our curated playlist linked in the description for endless inspiration. Subscribe to the channel for weekly decor ideas, seasonal styling tips, and creative home transformations. Looking for more Valentine and festive decor videos? You'll find similar content waiting for you in the description. Loved the decor pieces featured? Shop all the products used in this video through the links in the description below.